बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो पैसिव रीडिंग में इन्वॉल्व हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू शुड रीड इन phrases. This is important. Read in phrases. When you sub-vocalize, your reading speed becomes speaking speed. Building vocabulary. A lot of students are ignoring this part. They're not focusing on building vocabulary. Hello design aspirants. I hope you people are doing good and preparing for your exams with full vigor and vitality. As you people told me that you are facing a lot of problems with the time management in the reading comprehension. Today I am going to suggest you some methods जो आपको help करने वाले हैं, which are going to make reading comprehension time management easy, because now you can read and understand faster and better. So today we are going to simplify Norman Lewis method, and let's understand what it is so that you can incorporate it in your reading comprehension practices and improve. Start करते हैं. सबसे पहली चीज, स्टॉप पैसिव रीडिंग. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो पैसिव रीडिंग में इन्वॉल्व है, राइट. यू शुड मूव टूवर्ड्स एक्टिव रीडिंग where you ask yourself questions. You ask yourself what the author is saying. What is it about? When you are reading it passively and you're not interacting with the passage, you might not understand it fully, and then you might have to reread it again and again, which can create problems. Okay. The next thing is going to be improving your eye movement. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो वर्ड बाय वर्ड पढ़ते हैं and they go back again and again to understand what the passage is about, right? So dear students, you should read in phrases. This is important. Read in phrases. You need to move your eyes swiftly, right? Instead of going word by word, instead of regressing, try to read in chunks, try to read in phrases. The next thing is going to be use a finger or pen as a guide, जो आपको help करेगा to push forward, right? So ये दो चीजें हैं जो students को ध्यान रखनी है. पहली, stop passive reading. Engage with the text. Read actively. Ask yourself questions while reading. Predict what's going to be next, right? React to all the ideas that are mentioned to you. The next is going to be improving your eye movement, where you read in phrases or chunks instead of going word by word, and do not regress unless and until it is extremely necessary, right? You can use a finger or you can use a pen as a guiding tool that is going to push forward. Okay. Next is reducing sub-vocalization. When you sub-vocalize, your reading speed becomes speaking speed, which is a problem. You people should know how many words you are reading in a minute, right? ये आपको एक as an average समझना है. आज एक practice session लीजिए, 1 मिनट का टाइमर लगाइए एंड स्टार्ट रीडिंग. देखिए आप कितने वर्ड्स रीड कर पा रही हैं. ऐसे 5 से 6 बार करके देखिए और फिर जो आपका एवरेज आता है, दैट इज व्हाट यू कैन रीड. अब यहाँ पर इट इज नॉट अबाउट रीडिंग एज मेनी वर्ड्स एज in 1 minute, but it is about understanding words. Okay, so make sure you are focusing on the understanding part more than just reading it for the sake of finishing the text. Okay, and when you do this, you will understand what is your reading speed. And now a lot of students will see that when they try to speak that word, right, so what happens is your speed slows down, जो नहीं होना चाहिए. You don't need to hear every word in your head. Your brain reads faster than your speaking speed. Remember this. Okay, so dear students, there should be no sound. Increase your pace, right, so that you can break this habit. So do not sub-vocalize, because when you do so, your reading speed becomes speaking speed, which is a problem. Okay, next, building vocabulary. A lot of students are ignoring this part. They're not focusing on building vocabulary, right? So when you are not well versed with a good list of words, you are not able to recognize the words instantly, because of which a lot of problems occur. Okay, so ये नहीं होना चाहिए. And लॉट ऑफ यू वुड हैव सीन कि जब आपको वोकैबुलरी में प्रॉब्लम आती है तो देर आर सम ब्रेकर वर्ड्स जो आपको नहीं समझ में आते हैं, जिसकी वजह से आपकी स्पीड भी ड्रॉप हो जाती है, जो नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? लर्न वर्ड्स इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट, नॉट आइसोलेटेड वर्ड्स. Make sure you are focusing on the purpose of the word, on the connotation, on the usage and on the tone. अगर आपको समझ में आ गया है एक वर्ड का क्या मतलब रहने वाला है as per the context, as per the sentence, तो आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. And there are multiple ways of improving vocabulary. One is the 2000 word theory, which can be incorporated by flashcard or pocket diary strategy, where you write a word, you write two synonyms, you write two antonyms, and you reread it at least thrice so that the words can be in your brain always. Okay, the next is going to be following the root word strategy, right? These two strategies are good enough. You can also refer to Word Power Made Easy book by Norman Lewis, as it is going to teach you multiple words that can be used in different situations. Okay, next is skimming and scanning. When you people are solving passages, make sure you skim to understand the main idea and to scan to find specific information in the retrieval based questions. Okay, if you people are going to equip yourself with these two methods of skimming and scanning, your questions would be solved in lesser time. Okay, next is improving comprehension. A lot of students try to read faster, right, so that they can finish it. But when you people are going to undermine the comprehension ratio, how will you solve the questions, right? So speed without understanding is useless. Pause after paragraphs, recall the main idea, summarize mentally, try to identify the tone, main idea, the purpose, so that you can solve all the questions. Okay, next, practice with purpose. Make sure you are timing yourself, because when you aren't doing so, everything goes haphazard. Timed practices are important. Next, increase your speed gradually. Okay, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपने आज पढ़ना शुरू किया कल improvement दिख जाएगी. No, it is going to take some time because there is a gradual movement in it. Okay, and make sure you people are checking your comprehension after. I hope you people have understood all the mistakes that you need to avoid so that you can read faster. So dear students, stop sub-vocalizing. For instant recognition, focus on vocabulary. Do not regress. Try to read in chunks instead of going word by word. Understand, measure your reading speed and improve gradually with trying practice sessions. That is going to be all. If you people still face any problems, feel free to reach out. That is going to be all. Now we are looking forward to wrapping it up. मिलते हैं जल्द ही in the next session. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care and incorporate all these techniques so that you can improve faster.